In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guides in Adobe Express. If you want to line up text, images, or other design elements more accurately, guides can make the process much easier. They help you create cleaner layouts and keep spacing consistent across your project. In Adobe Express, adding guides is simple once you know where to find the right menu. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design you want to edit so you can see the full canvas and access the tools for that specific project. Next, go to the top right area of the screen and click File. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, find Rulers and Guides, then hover over it to open the additional options. From there, turn on Show Rulers. As soon as you do this, rulers will appear around your project canvas. Once the rulers are visible, you can start adding guides. Move your cursor over the top ruler if you want to create a vertical guide, or over the side ruler if you want to create a horizontal guide. Position your cursor where you want the guide to be placed and wait for a plus icon to appear. When you see that plus icon, click it, and Adobe Express will add the guide to your project. This is especially useful when you're trying to create margins, align multiple elements, or keep important content evenly spaced. A vertical guide can help control left and right alignment, while a horizontal guide is helpful for top and bottom spacing. If your layout needs to look balanced and professional, this feature can save you time and reduce guesswork. If you want to make sure the guides stay in place while you continue editing, go back to File, then hover over Rulers and Guides again. This time, turn on Lock Guides. Locking guides can be helpful because it prevents you from accidentally moving them while working on your design, especially if you're adjusting several elements on the canvas. And that's it. That's how to add guides in Adobe Express. Once you've enabled rulers, placing guides becomes quick and easy, and locking them adds an extra layer of control while you design. If you're working on layouts that need precision, this is a simple feature that can make a big difference in keeping everything neat and aligned.